Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Crystal. Wanted to pop in. Hope y'all having a good evening. Thanks for tuning in to Lone Care Ministry. I'm just sitting here thinking about here really, and it's about 11:45 at night. I'm tired. I haven't just got back from seeing my son in Chicago. I met him. He was coming from New York, and I met him there for dinner. Take me out to dinner, so it was really good to see him. But I wanted to just pop in and see how you all are doing with your hair. And I'm thinking about us as girls. Doesn't matter what age you are or what season of life that we're in, but we go through different styles with our hair, whether it's short, long, medium, the different changes that we do with braids and twists and wigs and weaves and just wearing our own hair, short, curly, whatever we're doing to our hair. But aren't we really into it? I just hope that you're not making your hair an idol. Okay? Make sure that you are not putting your hair to where it's driving you crazy. You're trying to reach this length. You're doing so much with it. You're dyeing your hair, you're cutting your hair, you're changing it up so much. You're spending so much money that you don't have. And you could be putting it towards something else. We just got to be careful not to make our hair an idol. Yes, a lot of you do want long, thick, beautiful hair. And yes, you can get it. There's so many ways to get it. I've given so many tips here on my channel, which, by the way, welcome to Lone Care Ministry. For those who are visiting for the first time, we talk about hair, the Bible, and God. And I'm just keeping it real with you tonight. I'm actually really tired, but actually let me just pop in and say a few words about hair. But I don't want you to spend too much money on hair and don't worry about it as much. You get the length, all right? Hair is constantly growing. The idea is to take care of your hair so that you have healthy hair. If you have healthy hair, then your hair will get long. If you're trying to grow the 6 inches, the inch per month, you will get the length if you take care of your hair. If you take care of it, right? If you want healthy hair, cut the ends, wash it, condition it, massage your scalp, and it'll grow. But you need patience too. And I think that's a problem. A lot of us don't have patience. We want things in a hurry, always in a hurry to get things. We don't want to do that. We want to make sure that you take your time, you pray about it. Yes, you can pray about your hair too, right? You pray about everything. Hope you're praying about everything, because you should pray about everything, because God said to cast all your cares upon Him because He cares. And yes, He even cares about our hair, the things that we desire and so forth. And He'll give us the wisdom. He'll give us the connections. He'll give us the tools, the resources, whatever you need to do to be able to, get the hair that we want. And you just pray and ask God about it and see what He says. All right. So I just want to pop in just to ask you to take care of, just to ask you, are you taking care of your hair? It's been, oh my gosh, since I started this in January. I think it's been January, February, March, April, May, June. January, February, March, April. Yeah, January, February, March, April. And we're getting into May now, right? So a couple months. Have you been taking care of your hair faithfully? Have you been consistent? Have you been washing, conditioning, checking your ends, moisturizing, sealing, all those things, and then just waiting and being patient? And doing protective stylings, whatever. I hope you have, and I hope that I'm not doing this channel in vain. The whole purpose of this channel is so that you can get the hair that you deserve. The length, if you want to grow your hair back, I want to give you the tools to do it. All right? If you want healthy hair, I want to give you the tools to do it. If you want to get closer to God, I want to talk to you about God, y'all, because He's real. And if you want to learn about the Bible, I am a Bible teacher. I'll give you all kind of good nuggets and gems about the scriptures and how you can apply it in your life because it's real. All right. Bottom line is that take care of you. Take care of your hair. There's so many resources out there. Don't make your hair an idol, though. Don't spend all your money. All right. Just do what you can do and then just be patient. All right. And simple. And just to say something very simple is that leave your hair alone. Your hair grow and you just leave it alone. Sometimes just leave it alone for a month, for up to 6 weeks, and watch it just start all of a sudden I have this extra inch because you left it alone. So leave it alone. Pray about it. Don't make it your idol. Find what works for you. Take care of your hair so that you have healthy hair. All right? All right, y'all. I'm going to bed. I just wanted to stop in and say hello and just talk a little bit about hair. So I hope you're taking care of your hair and you're taking care of you. Remember, Jesus loves you. And if you have not yet gave your life to Christ, give your life to Jesus Christ for real, for real. All right? And pick up his book and read it because it holds the answers to life. All right. Bye, y'all.